Hello friend, my name is Vedprakash Dubey. Today I am discuss about pollution. Uh, Before some days I discussed about South China Pacific in English. So today I have totally discussed pollution in English. First of all, I told you I have divided 5 part of pollution. First of all, I shall see what is definition of pollution. After that, I shall see some type of what is type of pollution. After that, I shall see what is reason of create of pollution. After that, I shall see what is impact of our society and other of pollution. After that, I shall see that I how can in the pollution. After that, I see conclusion. First of all, I see definition. What is pollution? I told you that the things who contaminate air and water and sound. It is a definition of pollution. After that, I shall see what is type of pollution. First of all, I see air pollution and water pollution and soil pollution and sound pollution. But I saw mostly focus in air pollution because in this time totally world is disturbance of air pollution. Sound pollution is not important, and water pollution is mostly important with air pollution, and soil pollution is not most important. I am totally focused in air pollution and soil water pollution. Come here and I shall see the cause of pollution. What is reason? More and more created of pollution. First of all, I see in this time I am using of vehicles more and more, and in this time I am using diesel vehicle and petrol vehicle. It is a first reason. Second reason, in this time I am see progress of more and more factory. He is created of more and more air contaminate. He is a polluted of air, and I saw in this time I am using polythene. He is a contaminate of water pollution, and in this time after some years I saw and I read in news Punjab and Paschim West UP is burn of parali. He is a generate of air pollution. It is a region of create pollution, and I want to see what is a effect of our society. First of all, if air pollution generate more and more, I face after some years in the earth temperature is increasing and glacier are melt, then island and bank of sea earth is down in the sea. It is a first impact of our. Second impact of if I face of loss of biodiversity. If I am more and more using of polythene and throw water, water animals and sea animals eating polythene, and he is not survival of eating plastic. After that he died, and I can get more and more biodiversity is lost, and I am effect of our society. He is a very dangerous, and then I shall discuss about end of pollution. How to end up pollution? First of all, government promote more and more use of electric vehicle. Government gives times 2025 or 2030. I am totally banned in diesel vehicle and petrol vehicle. You are totally use of electric vehicle, and company is promote make a electric vehicle. After that, government should promote of solar energy and Arvic energy. In this time, I am sa India make as 80% create vidyut of koila and tapi. India government should promote of solar energy and promote Arvic energy, and I should do not burn up parali. If I burn up parali, he is create up more and more air pollution. If I parali use up जैविक उर्वरक, it is a most problem and impact of our society, and how to end up problem. Then I end this video, then I make you next video other topic. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.